Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from James from Lakeside, California. This is a box. He said that he saw a bunch of stuff that I hadn't reviewed and offered to send it to me. So, cool, thanks. He's a reader from down in Cali, so let's crack it open and see what's inside this box. Wow, talk about well packed. Well, I think the easiest thing to do is take everything out one by one and go through it. So let's do that. So it's like he bubble wrapped everything. Awesome. All right, so the first one looks to be from my friend. This is a yakisoba of some sort, and it looks like a big one. Is this? Yep, it's got mayonnaise. I hope you're ready for a lot of mayo. And here you go, Mimi. You like these. He used bubble wrap. So, have at it. Next up, we've got, it's a full cup, but it's calling it a bowl. I haven't reviewed this one. I just reviewed the coconut one, though. I thought I did all these, but I guess not. This is Dream Kitchen Seafood. This is looks like a rice porridge of some sort. It's Vietnamese. That's cool. I'm totally all over that. Thanks. Yep, and here's another seafood porridge. Awesome. I've seen these for a long time, and I've only done a couple, and these are two that I definitely am interested in doing. So cool. Thanks. Wow, how'd I miss this one? A seafood tonkatsu from Menraku. That's pretty cool. Huh. I don't know. I think I have reviewed this one. I know I've reviewed the Itomen with the... Oh, what do you call it? I don't know, but this looks familiar, but maybe I haven't. Well, these are new to me. We have a Pho, and to finish things off, we got a Pho. Basically, pho just means soup. Ga is chicken, bu is broth, or beef. Whoa, hey, cool, man. Thanks a lot. Go out to James of Lakeside, California. Yeah, this is a lot to go through, so I'll be doing so and mentioning you in the post. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.